Welcome to the Photo Assistant desktop app. Photo Assistant is an intelligent photo application that can automate photo organizing and image management like there's a human in the loop. It can consolidate, tag keywords, curate for meaningfulness, and organize up to 100,000 photos by subject matter, all without help from you. Photo Assistant was created to solve the time-consuming task of photo analysis through the power of automation. It's an AI personalized to you that learns what's important from the photos themselves. This video is broken down into the following sections. 1. Installing Photo Assistant on your computer. 2. Creating an account and uploading images. 3. Reviewing albums created for you. 4. Working with images. 5. Tidying up your collection. 6. Searching for images. 7. Exporting images by keyword. 8. Managing your account settings. 1. Installing Photo Assistant on your computer. To install Photo Assistant, find the Windows.exe or Mac.dmg file link in your licensing instructions email. Select which users on your computer you want to make the software available for. Choose where you'd like to install the application. Check off Run Photo Assistant to load the application once the installation finishes. 2. Creating an account and uploading images. Now that you've installed Photo Assistant, select Create Account to continue. Read through the terms and conditions of use and select I agree. Please be sure to read the privacy policy and communications agreement thoroughly. Enter an email and create a password for your account. Select Start Setup to continue. Enter your first and last name for your profile. Next, you will have the option to upload a selfie. This lets Photo Assistant know who's the main subject of the collection when it analyzes photos. Then, you'll be asked to choose which 3 photos resonate with you. Your choices help the AI learn what's important to look for during photo analysis. Next, you will have the option to create a custom keyword export list before you start uploading photos. This will allow you to choose which keywords will be exported with your photos. Now it's time to upload images to let the app do its magic. Select Upload Folder and choose a folder with images you'd like Photo Assistant to analyze first. The app will now begin analysis and on average will process 5,000 to 10,000 images per hour. 3. Reviewing albums created for you. Now that your images have been analyzed by Photo Assistant, select Personalized Albums in the Home tab to view how the AI has organized those images. Note the various albums Photo Assistant has created for you, including Best of Albums curated by AI and category albums focusing on common themes and life events. Navigate to the Total Collection folder in the All Photos tab. This album contains all the unique images uploaded by you after duplicates and unsupported files, like videos, were removed using AI analysis. The Total Collection album is sorted by default to show you the most meaningful and aesthetically pleasing photos at the top and the less unique and less important photos at the bottom. 4. Working with images. Click an album to view all of its content. Photo Assistant will give you a few details about the album when it's opened for the first time. You can view its details again by clicking the exclamation mark icon in the upper left corner of the window. Most screens inside the app will have a contextual menu marked with 3 dots in the upper right corner. This is where you can select multiple or all images at once, choose how you want to sort your photos in the album, add photos to the album, or export your results to Adobe Lightroom Classic. Open the Similarity Photos level scale to reveal the scale values. A higher value will show you more photos with more similarity, while a lower value will show you a more unique set of photos with less similarity. To view an image up close, select the image icon in the upper right corner of the window to expand the photo view. When an image is expanded, click the Chemistry Flask icon in the upper right corner to view more details about the image. Note how Photo Assistant has added tags predicted to fit the image. Photo Assistant is highly accurate, but won't always be 100% correct. Help the AI get even better by providing feedback. At the bottom, you can quickly change which album you are viewing. If you want to remove an image from a particular album, click the minus icon in the upper right corner of the window. If you want to delete an image altogether, click the trash icon. This will send that image to the Trash tab. If you want to add a specific image to a different album, click the Image Plus icon in the upper right corner and select which album to add the image to. 5. Tidying up your collection. Open Tidy Up Your Collection in the Home tab to review images in your collection that have been marked for cleanup. Note the various albums that Photo Assistant has created for you. For example, Photo Assistant AI will automatically find similar photos or blurry images and group them together. View the details of each album by expanding the album view and clicking the exclamation mark icon in the upper left corner. If there's an image marked for removal that you'd like to keep instead, move it to the Safe list. Select the badge icon in the upper right corner when you are viewing an image in the Tidy Up tab. Images in the Safe list will be excluded from tidying up and batch removal features. To view images you've sent to the trash bin, click the trash icon at the bottom. Select Delete to confirm removal. They'll be gone from the Photo Assistant app, but won't be deleted from your computer. 6. Searching for images. To search for images manually, open the Search tab by clicking the magnifying glass icon at the bottom. Type your search term in, and Photo Assistant will filter through tags it has created during photo analysis to show you the most relevant images. You can search for one or multiple words. You can also turn on Advanced Search if you want to filter by a date range or narrow in on a particular date. Lastly, click the drop-down menu to sort results by location or to sort by the AI's predicted value. 7. Exporting images by keyword. Click the tag icon at the bottom to view the keyword export lists. Click the plus symbol next to a category of keywords to make that group active for exporting to Adobe Lightroom Classic. If you want to make your own set of keywords, select Create a New List. Give your list a name, then click on a drop-down arrow to see the keywords available in each category. Now you're ready to filter custom keywords to export to Lightroom Classic. 8. Managing your account settings. Open your account settings by clicking the profile icon in the top right corner of the window. Here, you can log out of or delete your account, send feedback to our developers, view the FAQ, and contact us for additional support. If you delete your account, all of your data, including your uploaded photos, sign-up email, and other account details, will be removed from the Photo Assistant app. Photo Assistant is committed to ethical training data, responsible AI, and transparent data practices. Congratulations! You've completed onboarding. Now you're ready to experience the power of Photo Assistant to automate your photo organization and digital curation.